Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin is pumping, IOTA trade is pumping, Bitcoin up 5% overnight, which is incredible. I'm going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, IOTA, and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button down there. Join 78,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button there and turn on the bell notification. Also, I do all my trades on Bybit. The links are down below. The steps to set up your charts, trade on Bybit are down below. Make sure you're using Bybit. They have a DEX on Bybit called Apex, so it doesn't matter which country you're from. If you use a VPN and then you use the DEX, doesn't matter what country, you can trade on Bybit. And I really recommend Bybit. I like Bybit because I know they're safe. I know they're financially backed. I know they have good liquidity and they have low fees, and I've been using them for trading for almost 2 years. Be careful if you're using another exchange. I really, again, recommend using Bybit down below. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Why I'm careful about using other exchanges is because if they go down, you can lose your funds that's in the exchange. Bitcoin is through from yesterday. If you've been looking, we've been looking at this on this pattern that was playing out, and it doesn't look like it's breaking down here going to 24,000. It's breaking out here, like I said yesterday, the trade from yesterday massively in the profits, and I see a big W formation here, but we're right at resistance, but a huge W formation. If this breaks out on Bitcoin, this W formation, we're right now on the resistance line. If that W formation breaks out, it will be taking us here on Bitcoin. 31,000. We'll be going to 31,000. That was a big move yesterday from 25,900, 26,000 to 28,300. Almost a 5% move, and we're breaking through the resistance right now. You can see we're above the line, getting rejected, but breaking through. 4-hourly stochastic heading up. Hourly stochastic heading up with volume. 15 minutes also heading up with volume. It's breaking through right now. It's trying to go through. Bad move to close my long yesterday in the morning on Bitcoin. I had quite a big long on there and I closed it, but that's okay. I still think we're going to move up from that trade yesterday. In the afternoon, I made this trade, which is also massive in the profits. If you haven't opened a trade yet, I would open a trade on support. So support would be there and stop loss right underneath the support. Here, this is the trade setup I would open on Bitcoin. 40 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $179 to make $7,199 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $71,000 of profits. This is the trade I'm going to open on Bitcoin right now. Let's see, is it going to pull back though? I need to make sure. If it doesn't pull back and Bitcoin rips here, I want to be in the trade. So this is what I talked about yesterday. Sometimes, and that's what I thought yesterday, that we could miss out on the move if it broke through. And it did break through. We were here when I made the last video and went long. In the morning of yesterday, we were here when I went long. So I went long, and then that was a bad move to close it. But in the afternoon trade, that's already gone through. We were here in the afternoon, so we already break through here. So would I go long here, or would I wait for a pullback? That is the question. We're at resistance. Looks like it's breaking through though. I don't want to miss the trade and not be in the trade as Bitcoin rips higher. But I think a strong resistance where we are right now is here. So I would open this long. Better risk to reward, risking $125 to make $6,920 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $69,000. That's a trade I take on Bitcoin. Now I'm going to set up this trade. If you want to trade under the video, it has exact steps in the description of the video. You have step 1, take the crypto master course to learn how to set up your trades and learn technical analysis. Step 2, this is in the description of the video. Sign up to Bybit, you get $30,000 worth of bonuses, and you get a free $1,000 trade until tomorrow. A free $1,000 trade when you use that link to sign up to Bybit until tomorrow. And then join the free trading group. There's 8,500 traders in there in Telegram. It's completely free. Discuss with them and take this free trading tutorial. You can watch the video to learn how to trade, and use NordVPN if you have any restrictions. So once you've set up your charts, once you've signed up to Bybit, you get an account like this. My IOTA trade is $12,500 in the profits, 62%, $12,500. If you've been following this trade building, realized profits, I'm getting paid to keep this trade open, which is interesting. I've been paid $393 to keep this 5x leverage trade open, which is really cool. Normally you pay fees, but because people have been shorting IOTA, I've actually been I'm getting paid to keep the trade open. So $393 realized profits. It's a $20,000 trade with 5x leverage, so it's $98,000 trade. $12,500 in the profits from 20,000. That's amazing. In this account, I have $290,800. I've got in here MCRT 41,000, one Bitcoin in here, I've got 17,000 of Uniswap, 13,000 of FXS. I'm going to buy some more FXS here. I'm going to buy another $1,000 of FXS at the current price. I'm also going to buy another half a Bitcoin here in case Bitcoin decides to run. I want to start building the position. It's up around 5% today, 0.5, but I'm going to buy another half of a Bitcoin, $14,000 worth. Confirm. I just bought another half a Bitcoin just then. I bought $1,000 of FXS. That Bitcoin trade is filled. I just bought half a Bitcoin there, and I'm going to go long on Bitcoin like I showed you in the video, in the technicals. So I'm going to go long from the gray line, 28,134, stop loss 28. So 28,134. I'm going to do a $1,000 trade with 20x leverage. Take profit will be 35k and stop loss is 28k. 35k, 28k. So I'm risking $92 to make $4,765. Confirm. I'm going to make it, because that risk to reward is so good, I'm going to make it a $3,000 trade with 20x leverage. So it's a $60,000 trade. So this trade will then be, I'm risking $279 to make $14,300. Open long. So the order will automatically open at 28,134. 2 Bitcoin trade. It's gonna be $58,000 trade. Take profit is at 35k. Stop loss is at 28k. Confirm. Order submitted. So my order here on Bitcoin is now set. 2 Bitcoin trade. Yesterday's long didn't open on Bitcoin at 26,900, so I missed that long. It's already up $1,000. I've got some additional trades to add to IOTA, and I've got that Bitcoin trade waiting to execute. It's going to execute at 28,134. Can it pull back $100 before hopefully we don't miss this trade, but I do think it will pull back before execute and then start moving up. We're at this resistance. But again, what you could do is you could wait to see if this resistance holds. So you could do 2 things here. You could wait to see if it gets rejected. If it gets rejected, then going long at 24,000. That's one possibility. If it breaks through though, and that's what I think, based off the technicals, I think we're going to break through. So I would try to go long on a little bit of a pullback onto support, just pulling back a little bit and then going long, taking the target to 35k. That was a big move today. Let's see if it has any pullback. We moved from 25,800 to 28,500. So it's almost a $3,000 move on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Again, if you want to trade Bitcoin, under the video in the description, go down below, take the steps. Step 1, take the course, set up your charts like you're seeing me do. 2, sign up to Bybit. And again, you get $30,000 free bonuses, and you get a $1,000 free trade when you sign up to Bybit, which is beautiful. And join us in the Telegram. The link to the Telegram in the description. There's 1,500 members. You can see they're all trading together. This student made here $1,600 profit, $261 profit, $428 profit, which is beautiful. This student here, you can see 1,600. These are his trades. This student made 69%, but again, they're trading on a different exchange, BitGet. Be careful. I do all my trades on Bybit. You can use VPN, and you can trade from any country. You go home. If you have any restrictions, you just use VPN. You go home, you click more, and you click Apex. Apex is a Web3 decentralized exchange, so you can trade from anywhere in the world without restrictions. Doesn't matter the country. Be careful using other exchanges, because if I don't know if they're secure or not, so be careful. There has Bybit up 60% on IOTA. This student up 126% on IOTA, 57% on IOTA. So many 141% on IOTA. A lot of gains being made. 58% on IOTA. Congratulations, everyone. This is in the free Telegram. 500% on Sui. And this student, see, on my Coinbase blocked my crypto. So again, be careful. I like to use Bybit, in my opinion, most secure exchange. Thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my thoughts on the market. Bitcoin really rallying, IOTA rallying. I think I wanted to build a $250,000 position on IOTA, but it's already left the building. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, and don't forget, sign up to Bybit before the 31st. So before tomorrow, or you've got 2 days left, and you get a free $1,000 trade when you use that Bybit link down below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.